Hey everyone, so there have been quite a few days where I have felt completely overwhelmed by the things that's happening around me, especially because my anxiety loves to attack me during that time. But I have found this one trick that I think you will find extremely helpful. So, what I want you to do is stop for a second, take your hand, palm, put it on your heart, breathe. Feel the heart beat against your hand. Let your breath sink to your heartbeat. This is proof that you're alive. This is proof that you're here right now and nothing can harm you in this very moment. You're safe here. You're safe with yourself. Just breathe. I don't want you to think about anything. I don't want you to do anything. Just feel the heart beating against your hand and just breathe. Breathe in the fresh air. Breathe in any air. Wherever you are, you can, literally do this anywhere. But this is proof that you're here and you can do this because you have done this before and you will do this again and again and again. Hundreds of times. This is your life. You can do this. Just take this moment to relax and to unwind and to remember that you're safe, and the rest will follow through. I promise.